Alright guys, I got another unboxing here from APMEX. Let's see what we got. Alright. Two airtight holders. And we got two 1/10 ounce pieces of gold here. If you look, this is it's a gold American Eagle. If I can ever get it to come on, camera. Well, it's because it's probably because I have the light on, but it'd be way too dark otherwise, so I don't know what to do. Well, you can kind of see better there. There you go. But look at that. I mean, it's the size of a dime, but it looks awesome. It's nice looking. And here, I got a 1/10 ounce Canadian gold maple leaf. That looks awesome. But I'm gonna put them in the holders here. Look at that. They're both 2018s. Oh. Which one do you like better? They both look great. Alright, what else we got there? And last but not least, bought a roll of 50-cent pieces. They're all 90%ers. Those Franklin's. I remember when I was a kid, I used to see these all the time, and we used to just spend them on sodas. And now they're worth a ton. Not a ton, but I mean, they're worth like you know, I don't know, $6 or $7 by silver melt value, and we used to just spend them on candy. It's so ridiculous. Yeah, it looks great. Anyway, just a little pickup. Thought I'd show you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments section below, and please subscribe to the channel.